Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of How Logical. I'm back with another video on how to log into Axis Bank credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser. As soon as you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in axisbank.com and search. You'll end up in the homepage of Axis Bank. Now, if you've not applied for your credit card yet, you can click on this apply credit card link and follow the instructions. If you'd like to log into it, mouse over to this login option and in the expanded menu, go and click on this cards drop down. Go and select your card that you'd like to log in with. In my case, I'm choosing this prepaid card option. On the next page, simply go ahead and type in your login information, that is your login ID and your password. Make sure to type in your login ID correct in the first text field. Head over to the password field after you're done and type in your password. If you'd like to double check your password, you can click on this little eye icon in the right corner. In case you've forgotten your password, click on this forgot password link beneath the login button and follow the instructions to reset to a new one. Finally, after typing in all of your information, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your Axis Bank credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.